All right, let's talk more about the snow now. A snowfall warning is in effect for Toronto. A blast of winter weather, frigid temperatures arrived overnight, and they are impacting us this morning.
Yeah, it all started around 6 p.m. yesterday, and now we've got quite the accumulation. CP24's Courtney Heels joining us live with the latest on the conditions out there. Courtney, I think the message is if you don't have to leave the house today for work or anything, best to probably stay home until this system passes.
Yeah, that is good advice. And on that, it is officially a snow day, guys. The Toronto District School Board reporting that schools and childcare centers are closed today. We've been watching for that update through the TDSB, given just how many kids are likely waiting for that information. Again, that's official. Schools and childcare centers with the Toronto District School Board closed today as a result of the weather. I mean, you can see why. We're along Eglinton, not far from Bathurst. There is so much snow, not a lot of people right now